Hey guys, Danny Johnson here back with another luxury home walkthrough, and this is another vacation rental. Look at that pergola up at the top, big windows. So this one comes in at $4.8 million. This features 7,599 square feet. It's 7 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, 3 floors, and a 3-car garage. So as we come around the front here, little narrow entrance because you're up against some other ones. But I really love when you come in how you see the stairs and they have a glass wall behind the stairs. Little reading area too, so they incorporated that space nicely. Another big window here. And so it was just an awesome design, very modern looking, but very usable space here. Going up the stairs, though, what you'll notice is that these hardwood floors are pretty hard on your feet. So carpet would be nice on a lot of these stairs, just going up and down, especially on so many levels. It's kind of, you start to feel it in your feet. But beautiful views out here, and right upstairs we have a movie theater room with some beautiful barn doors that close it off. So as we look around the corner here, we have nice little counter space here, some storage, and nice soft carpet, and some nice lit stairs so you don't trip. So that's really nice. And so it's good to have a movie theater here with stadium seating. A lot of fun. I could just see kids jumping right in there. Right around the corner, you have a really nice seating. Birds are getting together. Nice little countertop here with another refrigerator going into a bedroom. Looked like it had wallpaper that was up on the wall here. Beautiful view out the side, but you will have other people building next to you. And I really loved in this bathroom, the counter was nice, but look at this backsplash. It was like these little pebbles. So that looked really cool, really vacation style. I wish they would have put that theme into some of the shower or something too. But anyway, a little half bath here with just a toilet and a sink, going up a small flight of stairs. And now we're going to go into what would be more like the master bedroom or the adult. Barn door, sliding glass, really nice touch, really high end on everything that they used. And I love the lights by the mirrors. Huge bathroom. Watch this. You have the privacy window that turns on and off with a switch. And I love the tile on the floor. It feels good on your feet. And you have the bathtub inside the shower. We're seeing that trend a lot now. And just very high end everything. In this room, you have a TV that drops down. It's the master, and if you don't want to ruin your view, you have a TV that will come down out of the ceiling so you can watch TV, and otherwise it can be up because you can imagine you don't want to miss this beautiful view as you wake up in the morning or even going to bed. So they did a really great job there. You have your own pool if you don't want to be out in the smaller waiting area pool. That's past that. So again, drop down TV. You'll see this in another one of my videos. So check the video description. But I thought that was a interesting feature. Tell me what you think. Again, you have windows looking at stairs, which is great to see if your kids are going up and down the stairs without you. Nice pool table and a very nice living room here. And I like how the ceiling had the wood paneling going all the way through it. So that looked really nice. Coming out here onto the balcony, big glass sliding doors, and they did a very good job with glass balcony walls so you can still see out and not obstruct the view. But again, this is a very beautiful view for this lagoon that you're at. And nice outside city. Check out this wood paneling. You have a railing so you can look down onto the first level and you can hear it when they call for breakfast or lunch is ready. But look at the beautiful paneling that goes on the side and then up onto the roof. And then the nice backlighting too. I think they did a great job with a lot of these high-end features. Nice little countertop space here. Going down the hallway, we're going to go ahead into a laundry room. So nice here. I didn't really like the floor in that one, but I like the cabinet color. It just needs some of those bronze knobs on it. That would look great with that color, as you may have seen in some other homes. So here we have a little desk area. So this is cool. It's right at the very front of the house. So you can sit down and be on the computer and see if your vacation guests are arriving. So that's a really cool feature. And this next room would be maybe for another uncle or an aunt or somebody who's coming with you. So it's not a huge room, but it's bigger than what you'd have the kids all combine in maybe. So I had a beautiful, elegant bathroom here. Not too big a fan of that tile work on the floor, but that's just my opinion. Another room off to the side that's similar to this as well. So this might be more of an upscale rental. We're not seeing all the bunk beds on each level like some of the other ones. I really like the floor on this one. It almost had a wood design pattern to it. Nice countertop there and a very elegant shower. Nice dark color. So very, very nice. I really like the texture of these tiles. It was kind of rigid, and so I thought that looked really good. They did a good job there. So nice, some bronze colored handles. Okay, we're going to go up the next flight of stairs and see what we can find. Again, glass windows looking into each level, and so it's almost like an outside balcony, but it's indoors as you're going up the stairs. So again, your feet are starting to feel it. It'd be nice to have some carpet on these stairs by the time you get up all these flights of stairs, and especially if you're running up and down. But look at that beautiful view of all the stairs. That might be a nightmare to you if you don't like stairs. But upstairs we do get some bunk area here, so this is where the majority of the kids can sleep. Make them go up the stairs, right? That's probably the idea. And they have their own little balcony with a bunch of fun hammocks and other sitting things up here with that fun little pergola roof. Sorry, the windows are a little dirty. Storm had just come through, but nice shaded area and fun area for the kids, I think. And didn't allow us to go back in here, but I'll reach as far as I can, just show you a little vanity and plenty for the kids. I thought these were a little sharp to have right next to your kids' heads. I don't think that's a good idea for them to sit up in the middle of the night and get hit with that. So I'd probably change those fixtures out, just my opinion. You're a little high to the roof here when you're on the second bunk. So you may have seen my other videos. Some of the bunks had a lot more space than that. So check the video description for that. But interesting wallpaper back there too, huh? Okay, more sleeping area here. So you have another tight ceiling. Interesting, like cheetah or leopard design on the roof. And they went a little crazy with that wallpaper. But more of your sleeping area here. So throw all the kids at the top, but you're going to hear them, dancing around and playing. So that could probably be a drawback, but vacations are for fun anyway, right? I thought it was really cool that they had all of these sinks and all of these mirrors all in a line for all the kids that would be using them. So very good idea, good use of the space, I think, here. This door here was locked, couldn't tell what was behind there, maybe a toilet or something, but I really like this tile. Tell me what you think. And it was interesting how on each corner it's even put together with a little design there, but I think they did a great job on that. So here's more sleeping area, and so you have your little closet area. So again, not huge, but it's actually perfect for what you're bringing with you. Nice sitting area here, and a deck area with the ping pong table. Nice tables to sit at. Some of these other rooms that are more designed for parents, I would say, or some older children who don't want to be near the bunk beds. So here's another nice room with its own beautiful back exit to the balcony. Beautiful views out there. So you can see a bunch of teenagers spending some time chit-chatting out there, or adults. But this is a very good-sized room here for what it was. This window was kind of creepy. You walk all the way up to it and see straight down. So nice view out of it, though. I like the floors in here and countertop. So single sink, so you have plenty of counter space on that one. I love these little tiles, the circular penny tiles. They just feel so good on your feet. It's like a foot massage when you walk on these. So I'm a big fan of that. Nice different colors here and different patterns. I think they did a really good job on that. Floating shelves down here for some more space. And a little toilet and a small closet. So this would be perfect for, an older guest, I would say, to use. And another beautiful view out here looking over the Laguna. Upstairs wouldn't let us go up that level, so not sure what's up there. But it had this really nice privacy, yet you can see out of wall there, a little feature wall, and more glass separating for the balcony. So look at this nice Laguna. It's really taking shape. Lots of apartments are finally coming in here. Nice pool down there. And so ping pong table again, and a sitting area. So just another view of the balcony here. It does connect to that other room, so you have little stairs that lead up to the other room there. And now we're finally on the main level. So we'll come through here. Nice little built-in area, And this is a pretty interesting little light chandelier. I thought that was cool. But nice built-ins to take your shoes off and store them there. We have a nice little half bath here too. And so nice sink, restroom. So this is what you'd be using, washing up right before dinner. A little walkway here. So here's the main level with some sitting. So this is where the main cooking is going to take place since the kitchen's downstairs. So whether that's enough seating or not, you might have to put some people outside, but I think it'll do the trick. Nice covered patio area, grill. You have a nice grill outside there too, and the pool. So nice big windows to look out and keep an eye on everybody. And look at this beautiful formal living room with the floating shelves with the lights and the lights up in the ceiling. Again, that wood paneling in the ceiling. I think they did a really good job on the design of this. It was very high-end, beautiful. You have 2 islands, so we're seeing that trend a lot now too. So you got plenty of seating over here if they don't want to be at the table. Lots of cabinet space, little floating shelves, ovens, and the refrigerator that's part of the cabinet here, so they like to hide it. So this is actually a refrigerator, so that's kind of a cool feature there. Blends in pretty good. You might have to tell the kids where it is. And nice little butler pantry here. Nice shelving built-ins. Just very elegant and beautiful looking. So plenty of places to put all the hundreds of cereal boxes and everything that you buy for everybody staying with you. And I really like the privacy glass look to the cabinets, so you don't see everything that's in there, but you still get a look through here. A nice gas range here. And back to our formal dining room. So anyway, tell me what you think. These are vacation rentals that they intend you to go in on with about 7 other people. So a total of 8 people share it. But nice transition here from the wood. And so anyway, thanks for watching. Please check the video description. I have more videos that are similar to this. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and let me know your thoughts. Is this worth going in on? Is this somewhere you'd like to rent? Let me know in the comments. Thanks, guys.